I'm going to go to virtual machines. Add a virtual machine. going to create a new resource group. Hope you can't put, you can't have a white space between the words. It's going to use Ubuntu, it's already there, Ubuntu Server 18.04. Looks like this isn't available in the region that I selected. So I will change the region and see if that size instant is available. Okay, so Central works on. Now most of the time you want to use a SSH key setup, so you have to generate it on your local computer and then upload the public key into this so you can access your instant in a secure fashion. But with this, I'm gonna probably just decide to use username and password instead. Put password in. For this example, I'm going to open actually port 80 and port 443. Okay, networking looks fine. Okay, I'm going to review and create. Okay, validation done, passed. Now I'm going to create it and wait till this finishes. Okay, ready to go. I already have it loaded in my terminal. I'm going to connect now. Okay, now I have a guest on GitHub already prepared, which I will include in the video's description. Now I'm gonna download it. Now I'm gonna run that script, and it will automate the install of the VPN server, and it will enable it once it finishes. Okay, I'm going to put sudo setup key. I'm going to copy and paste that ID number that's generated. Now I'm going to go back to my web browser, enter that key in the input, and save. Now it will prepare the database. I'm now using Edge. You go to Details, go to Web Page, going to copy and paste right here. Go back to Terminal. Then you're going to paste it. Enter. Now for this, I'm just going to copy the password. The username I already have memorized, of course. It's pretty easy. I'll go back to the browser, put the username in and the password. Okay, just going to press save. Okay, I'm going to go to users and go to add organization. Just going to do a demo organization for this video. Okay, now I'm just going to add another demo user because this isn't going to be an active server that I'm going to be using. This is just for this video. Save it. Okay. After that, I'm going to go to add server. It's going to be a demo server. Make sure you copy and paste that port that tells you to do. And it's UDP, remember that. You remember the port number and it's UDP. You can go back to the Azure Cloud. I'm going to go to networking. I'm going to add an inbound port rule for that UDP port that you just copied and pasted. I mean, you just copied. Okay, UDP. Change the port that's already in there to 13770. I'm going to change that to match the destination port you actually put in there, and you add it. You're going to wait till that security rule is created. Okay, now it's created. You're going to go back to the browser. Okay, attach organization to the server. Now you can start the server. The server is running. Now, if you're going to want to install the VPN client, I will put the URL in the video's description. Okay, you're going to copy this link. You're going to import the profile URI. Import. Now you see that. Now you're going to connect. You're going to wait. You see this connection. Now you're going to go to open a new tab. Put ifconfig.me to double check that the VPN is working. And you can see that the server address matches what it says in there, so the VPN works.